Hey, welcome back, guys. We're up here at East Bethel today, and we've got another second gen. They're just everywhere lately, which is nice. This fan's actually been spoiled for me by two of y'all, which is cool. I'm glad you guys are super excited about them, because I am. But so I know a little bit about this van already, but I haven't actually looked at it up close. I kind of covered my eyes. It was like super cool. I got to get up to East Bethel again, but it is a Plymouth. I think, is it a shorty or is it a Grand Voyager? I can't quite tell, but it's a Plymouth Voyager. So we'll kind of go around here, and then she's mint. I didn't even, it's funny. I've seen photos of this van. I didn't even notice this. This thing is mint. No rust whatsoever. Why is this in the yard? It is a '94 Grand Voyager. I love this paint color. It is a blue. The paint's in really good shape. This has to be a repaint. There's no way this is Chrysler paint. Right? There's no way. Anyway, yeah, it is a 94 Grand Voyager. It's got some pretty meaty wheels on it right now. It is running 205/70 R15s. And they are date coded 40/17, but they're, there's some meat on. This is the same tire that Gray Van's running right now. These General Ultimaxes. And my 97 Green Bean ran these as well. They're pretty good tires. So, yeah, just run the same tire up front. It's got these cool hubcaps. I like this style. This is a great style of hubcap. Poverty cap, whatever you want to call it. I don't mind hubcaps. Looks like it's got new struts on it. The headlight assemblies are like practically brand new. Look at that. That's nice. Like, me want nice. The grill is in good shape, except it's missing the emblem, unfortunately. Fenders rotten at the bottom. I see a state park sticker. Gooseberry Falls from 2016. That's a cool park. I've been there. This is an approved windshield repair. Right there. That's approved. Been there, done that. Oh, their patch panel's coming off. Oh no. Gotta re-weld that one back on. Holy crap. Oh, this thing is rotten. That's crazy. It's got these center moldings that are paint matched. This bumper is falling off. Oh my, this thing is so rotten. These drums look pretty new in the back, don't they? Oh, they're stuck. It's got new rear shocks in it too. It's got a full-size spare up under there. Is that new exhaust? Sure looks like brand new exhaust on it. Sweet. How are the leaf mounts holding up? That one looks okay. Front one's present, so it's like it's not structurally rotten. I poked myself with this rust just now. Despite all of that rust, only one of the rear brake lines has been done on the axle, and it'd be the left one. The right one is original still. It has a tow package on it too. This thing is optioned pretty well. What is it? It is a Plymouth Grand Voyager SE. And we've got stickers. We've got lots of stickers. What is that? St. John's, Solterman, Gate, Tail. I don't know. What is that? I have no idea what that is. The gate. Okay. This might tell us what it is. A tale for the 21st century. Discover who you really are. Available through all local and online bookstores. Here's your advertising. Bam. You're welcome. I won't even charge you for it. Libertarian. So these people were libertarian. There's another sticker up here. I can't quite tell what that is. Is that like Greek or something? I don't know. Somebody tell me what Roman. I don't know. There's some old writing or something. They voted. It's another I voted sticker. The white 2000 Voyager over there had an I voted sticker too. This grommet is cooked. This one is not cooked right now. I actually need this. If that survives, I'm taking that. Rear wiper is decent. This is pretty sticky. The Chrysler Pentastar is gone, long gone. It's got the non-black accented taillights. Oh, let's get inside this thing. Oh, and it doesn't have the pull string fuel cap. That looks like a brand new fuel cap. Ooh. Might borrow on that right there. You guys want to, do we do it? Do we pull the Band-Aid? Oh my god. Oh my god. Incoming the comments were, you're disrespecting the yard in this van. Sorry, I shouldn't be making fun of the guy. You really don't want to, you know, like, leave stuff in the alley, you know, out in the middle, or, I don't know, purposely dent cars and damage them, but, like, at the same time, I'm not, this is junk. What do you think this option was right here? Easy access to this plug. Is that for power windows that this doesn't have? Well, I bet you it is. We'll see if it's got power rear vents or not. Let's pop on inside. There's our door sticker. It is 3 at 94. So it's just barely squeaked into a 94. This door panel is mint. It has manual rear vents, as you can see, so I bet it's wired for power rear vents, but it does not have them. So we've got power mirrors, power locks, manual windows. There's the trunk button. So it's got the facelifted dash, being a 94. This steering wheel is super fancy. It's like a two-tone gray interior. See how this is darker? Or the column's been replaced, and the airbag. Quite possibly that. I've never seen that color. What color is this? Those are 3rd gen seats, 3rd gen leather seats in it. Power seats, mind you. I wonder if they're wired. You have to look to see if he wired them up, or she. It's got red floor mats in it. Oh. Does that have the rear red floor mats? Yes, it does. And it's got blue carpet. This thing is all kinds of cool. So, we've got red, we've got light gray, dark brown gray, real gray, leather, red again, blue, and beige, and black, and more blue. Oh my god. Sorry, this van is like really bad. The rails look okay though. It's just the rockers are extremely, really bad. Safe to say, I think Russ got her. Oh, let's take a look here, but maybe not, because this thing has 362,920 miles. Couldn't even get to 363,000. Unbelievable. That is a lot of miles. That's the most I have seen in quite a while, and probably the most I've actually seen at the yard as far as caravans go. That is a lot of miles. This thing has more buttons here. It's got cruise control, no tack. Oh, we've got 3 keys present here. What we got here? 94 Plymouth Voyager. Teal. Teal is the color. I've been saying blue. It's teal. It's got a cassette stereo in it. Nothing fancy. It's got some stickers here from 2023. Nothing in the glove box currently. Yeah, these seats are comfortable. I like these seats, these leather ones. Or vinyl. Ooh, vinyl. Both door panels are busted. Or they're missing a piece. Was this a leather piece here or what? It's missing all of it. All of them are missing. I wonder if that was leather or vinyl. Vinyl. I wonder if it was vinyl and somebody took them all for their caravan. That would be cool. It has no overhead console or anything. The headliner is actually decent. Really decent. Actually, it's bubbled here, but not too bad. Bubbled in the back, not too bad. It's a one-piece headliner. What else we got? Anything up above here? Oh, got the low trim sun visor, surprisingly, for an SE. It's got an overdrive off switch. That's kind of cool because it's got the tow package. That's exactly why it's got an overdrive off switch. 1 key wore down, 1 key in decent shape, and a aftermarket cut key. Yep, all the same. Something was stuck here. Is that just to keep your keys from scratching. I don't know. That's kind of cool. Nothing down below. I want to see if they wired up these power seats. There's a maintenance sticker piece that goes there. Is it wired up? I don't think it is. Nope. No, it is not. Lame. Shall we pop the hood? It's popped, it's popped. Curious to see how many transmissions this thing's been through. Oh, where's the hood prop? The hood prop is not where it should be. Got it. The insulator is gone. Somebody has been in this motor. All the bolts are up here. The fuel rail is gone. Somebody took the rail. So I bet you that rail had been repaired on and somebody needed one. This is an aftermarket coil pack. Yeah, they've got the intake all loose here. That is a new alternator in there. It's got CarQuest plug wires on it. New rad hose on it. New clamps. They're double clamped. That's fancy. That's a new hose clamp down there. I bet you it's had timing chain done on it. It's got new plugs in it. This thing's been fully serviced. This is a really old style cap. That's kind of cool. The inside of that looks really clean actually for 362. That looks mint. Yeah, that's in good shape. So it's been serviced properly, or a replacement engine. This computer's got no stickers on it or anything. That's a trans computer. So again, it's a not again, I didn't even tell you because I saw it was a part. It's a 3.3 liter with a 4.1 TE that definitely looks like a reman. Those are all new transmission coolant hoses. That's a new bushing on the shift linkage. That transmission's definitely been done recently. Get this intake out of the way. They did it quickly. It's got a new EGR vacuum pump here on it. It's got a new EGR on it. It's all sorts of new parts on it. Oh, this thing's got ABS. Gross. Oh, it's got a new rack and pinion in it. Bro, why'd you junk it? I mean, it was rusty, I get it, but like, bro. That's got a stamp rad cap on it. Coolant. Ooh. Is that oil? That sure looks like oil, guys. Oh. Did we actually lose the motor? That is a sticker on here for something. It's got mileage written on it. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's a reman transmission. It's got a gray pan on it, spray painted gray. It's got a sticker on that trans. Oh, so I don't think it's a Mopar reman. So they had somebody remanufacture it or a shop do it, but that's a reman transmission in it. So that's probably a good transmission right there. If anybody needs a transmission for their second gen, come get this one. It's got a Napa belt on it. So safe to say it's been fully serviced. You know, it's got new idler, new tensioner. Thermostat's probably been done. The rad's been flushed. It's had a transmission done on it. The heater core lines are all new. Yeah, this thing had a lot of service done to it. That's a shame. Well, lots of good parts here. Safe to say, lots of good parts for your second gen Caravan if you're local to the area. New struts on it too. If you need a rack and pinion, get that one. That one's new. It's got new CV axles on it. Sway bar bushings are old though, surprisingly. That's pretty rotten. Yeah. Super cool. I can't believe how rusty this thing is. I've seen worse. We've definitely seen worse. Can I get this door open? Is it locked? I think so. Oh, it's got power passenger seats too. So if anybody needs, power seats for your third gen, we're gonna be able to get this open. Or something's disconnected here. Or is it just stuck? Nope, that ain't opening. I guess we're climbing back this way. Yeah, it's got blue carpet in it. That's nice carpet, too. Nothing going on, though. Just a big red floor mat. Thing on the seats. There's a rock. I hope that's a rock. It's crumbling, whatever it was. It's not a rock. Nope. All right. Door seals are decent. Everything's decent on this fan, besides the metal. Yeah, these are like brand new. Like somebody just put all this work into it. Like that's still shiny. That would be rusty if it's ever seen salt since that was done. So I argue it's got to be pretty recent this work was done, unfortunately. Yeah, lots of good parts on this fan though, that's for sure. I think that's going to do it. I got a few things I'm going to grab off of this fan though. So we'll save a few things for sure. Anyway, thank you guys for watching once again out here at East Bethel, looking at this 1994 Plymouth Grand Voyager. An absolute rot bucket.